to slice up some green tomatoes. I like to get them about that thick. I'll come back to you when these are all sliced. Alright, I got three green tomatoes sliced. Now we want to get our egg wash. We don't want it to be too eggy. I got 2 eggs, and I'm gonna add a splash of milk to kind of water it down. Put a little splash of milk in there, and you want to beat it up really good. Whip it with a fork. I'm going to beat some air into there. I'm going to beat it up a little bit for a minute before we use it. Next, you want to get a bowl. You want to use self-rising flour if you got it. If you use all-purpose flour, you got to add salt and baking powder. I'm going to add, let's see, it doesn't have to be precise. It doesn't really matter as long as you have enough. You're going to throw all this away when you're done. Say about 2 cups. It's a little under 2 cups of flour. Now you don't have to add any spices. I like a lot of pepper in about everything I eat. I like a little spice, a little cayenne. Just a little bit. I put paprika in almost everything. It's a really good spice. And garlic. And then when they come out, I'm going to get some of this pink Himalayan salt on top of the tomatoes. There's a little salt in that flour already because it's all purpose, or it's self-rising, my bad. You want to mix this up. Really good. Beat your egg up some more, get some air into it. Then you want to put your tomatoes in here. Get them good and covered. Roll them back and forth. You can do it twice if you want them real thick batter on them. I'm only going to do mine once. Put them on a plate when you got them done like that. I'll show you what it looks like when we put them in the fryer. Put you some vegetable oil and heat it up. And you can use canola or peanut oil if you want. It doesn't matter as long as you got some oil to fry it in. My oil's a little too hot, you can tell, so I'm gonna have to cool it down. Turn down the heat a little bit. Oh yeah, my oil's way too hot. It's the first time I ever used this to deep fry on this burner. I'm gonna drop 4 more because these are not done in the middle. They should cook a lot longer than that. Don't mean I ain't gonna eat them still. I mean, they're not terrible. They just didn't cook long enough. And try it again. Hopefully that oil's cooled off enough. It looks a little hot still. Pull it halfway off. Let's start to pull down a little bit. If you got something with a thermometer, you want your oil to be about 350 degrees. If you wanted to cook them longer, you could put them in the oven. But if I'd have kept them in this oil as hot as it was, they would have got burnt, turned black. They shouldn't turn colors that quick. Some people like put a little cornmeal in their flour. I don't like it. I like flour like that. Some people use cornmeal only. Like I said, I don't like it. I cook my mushrooms and my fish the same way. I use flour. Now they're done. That's good right there. Now all you gotta do is add a little bit of salt. Let them cool down for a minute, and they're good. Now you make fried green tomatoes.